Hi guys, so for Module 15, one of the applications that I wanted to choose was actually YouTube. The why that I chose this app or website is because it's a good resource for students and teachers or parents to use, for students to be creative on, to see others' creations on, and to actually present content in a different way, especially for teachers. The purpose of why I chose this website today is because I just wanted to show how you guys can be able to upload your videos that you wanted to present, which all of us should know in this class because we all have to do assignments for that we have to upload about us speaking or doing small things like this. And then the purpose or the audience that I wanted to present this to is also for students and for my peers, just to show them how easy it is to upload through YouTube. So what you guys would actually do is hit this little button up here, and right here you can go live or you can upload a video. So today I'm going to show you guys how to upload the video. And you can also do this from a cellular device, which I actually use my cell phone all the time to upload my videos, but today I'm using Screencast-O-Matic to record this so you guys can see my screen. So after that, you would click here to upload your files, but I have no files to upload today. So then after the files begin uploading, you will see the progress bar that pops up, and then after that, you'll be able to see if it's through your channel or not. And then through here, you can also hit if you want it to be public, unlisted, private, or scheduled, which I usually make mine always public for my college assignment purposes and all of that. So after that, once it's uploaded, you can go back to here and then you can see your channel. So after that, you can hit your channel and then you'll be able to see all the videos that you've uploaded. So I think that's pretty neat that it can be all just there, easy to find, and then you can have your playlists and all of that good stuff through YouTube. So the ISTE standards that I actually covered today would be 6D and 6A. And then I showed you guys how to be able to create a YouTube video or channel. And like I said, if you didn't want to upload a file, you can actually go live through YouTube, which I thought that was pretty neat.